Welcome back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks. My name's Chad Seeger. Today we have an extra special treat for steak lovers, pan-seared filet with mushroom and black pepper cream sauce. The must-haves for this dish are filet of beef, mushrooms, red onion, heavy cream, cooking oil, Worcestershire soy sauce, and black pepper. The steps to making this dish are to prep your ingredients, then heat and coat the pan. Sauté some onions and then add the steak. Finish cooking the steak and add your seasonings. Remove steak and add the cream to form the sauce, plate, and serve. Fortunately for this dish, there's not a lot of prep. I'm going to start by de-stemming the mushrooms. Next, I'm going to give them an ununiform chop. Doesn't really matter what they look like. Next, with the onions, give them a pretty fine dice. Now over at the stove, get a pan up to medium-high. I'm using cast iron because it's easier for finishing. Once your pan's warm, you can add some oil. Also a pat of butter wouldn't hurt. Once the pan's coated, you can add your onions. Stir the onions for about a minute. Then you're ready for your steaks. Try to get them coated in the oil. You're going to be adding black pepper to this dish several times. Now's a good time as any. After the one side's pretty charred, about 3 minutes, flip them. Then add your mushrooms. And a little bit more oil. Now, depending on how well done you like your steak, you may want to cook it longer. But after a couple more minutes, flip them on the side to help the insides cook. Hit them with some more black pepper. Now you can spoon in that Worcestershire. Put it right on top of the steaks. Once you think your steaks are done, remove them from the pan. Then add room temperature cream right in. Kill the heat and form your sauce. Just spoon everything, make sure nothing sticks. And there's beautiful, luxurious mushroom cream sauce. Now for plating, we have some mashed potatoes. We're going to put one of our steaks right on top. We're going to spoon some of that beautiful sauce right on top. Hit it with a little bit of parsley. And it's done. There's a lot of different ways to cook steak, but this is my go-to. I just find it easy, consistent, and really delicious. Thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!